How to fix Apple Watch notifications not working. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to fix Apple Watch notifications not working. So let's begin. The very first step that I would like you to do is to make sure first that you have turned on your Bluetooth and connect your Apple Watch to your iPhone. So to do that, go to your control center and make sure to click on this Bluetooth icon and make sure that the Bluetooth icon is highlighted. Also, you may go to settings and then look for Bluetooth. Click on it and click on the toggle button found on the rightmost part. So to indicate that the Bluetooth is turned on, then the toggle button will be green like this one and not gray. And then you should also make sure that there is an indication right here. So for example, this is your iWatch or your Apple Watch. It will say connected right here. And then you should wait for the notification to pop up. And then if it still doesn't work, then you might go to the Watch app right here. And then again, make sure that you have connected your Apple Watch to your iPhone, as well as your iPhone is connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. And then go to General right here and click on Software Update right here. So wait for it to load, and then you should click on the update button if it is available. So make sure to connect your um, Apple Watch to a power or to your charger, and then you should proceed with updating your Apple Watch. And then wait for it, and then try waiting again for the notification. And if it still doesn't work, then you should try to contact the Apple support or go to the nearest Apple or Mac center for more assistance. So that's it. That's how you can fix Apple Watch notifications not working. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.